Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Video. So in today's video, I'm gonna keep working on my sign a little bit. I haven't posted any of those videos yet, where I've been working on getting the post in. But today I'm gonna work on getting I'm gonna call these my anti-flap sign cover holders. It's something that will go over the center of the sign cover so that when it gets super windy and stuff like that, it'll keep the material. It's kind of a weighty material, but it still is flexible and it'll kind of keep it held to the sign. So I'm gonna work on those. It shouldn't take me long, but I was also wanting to mess around with the live a little bit and a live feed. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy the show. All right, everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Video. So we're gonna get the signs up, installed, and get them bolted in nice and solid. So enjoy the show. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Here we go. All right, and that's gonna do it for a sign install. So I'm not gonna reveal the sign, the actual sign that's beneath the cover on this channel. Maybe you'll see it in the background one day of one of my videos. Maybe you won't. Maybe I'll make a whole nother channel just for that business. But nonetheless, that is how you install a sign, a homemade DIY sign. Go check out my sign video where I made it. And this is how you install it. It's not going anywhere. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Bigfoot out. I go check out some other content. Appreciate everybody.